Embarking on the complex journey of romantic relationships often feels like navigating a maze of expectations, uncertainties, and desires. In this labyrinth of love, we encounter a myriad of advice, ranging from the traditional to the unconventional. Among the pearls of wisdom whispered in the corridors of romance is the notion of relinquishing control and allowing the dynamic of courtship to unfold organically. But what happens when we dare to defy the conventional wisdom of planning dates, demanding commitments, and orchestrating every aspect of our romantic encounters? Join me as we delve into the intriguing realm of relationship dynamics, exploring the unexpected power of embracing uncertainty and relinquishing control in matters of the heart. Here are 3 ways to make him obsessed. 1. Don't give a man more than he gives you. Fostering a genuine connection with a man centers on the mutual exchange of affection and care. Paradoxically, overwhelming him with more than he offers can backfire, diminishing his interest. When you consistently shower him with displays of affection, undivided attention, elaborate dinners, and thoughtful gifts, and regularly inconvenience yourself by always making the effort to commute to his location, it inadvertently shifts his perception of you from a potential romantic partner to that of a nurturing, motherly figure or merely a friend, thereby dampening his emotional desire for you. Likewise, refraining from assuming financial responsibilities, such as splitting or covering the costs of dates, is essential. By doing so, you avoid unintentionally relegating yourself to the role of a mere friend in his mind, preserving the potential for a deeper romantic connection to blossom. 2. Don't give away exclusivity if he hasn't yet committed. Holding on to exclusivity without a firm commitment places you in a precarious emotional position as you invest your time and attention in a man whose intentions are unclear. This dynamic often leads to a sense of vulnerability and unease as you find yourself continuously questioning the direction of the relationship. Paradoxically, the more you dwell on this uncertainty, the more likely you are to push him away. Rather than resorting to discussions or issuing ultimatums, maintaining an open-minded approach to dating other men allows you to safeguard your self-respect, autonomy, and personal boundaries. By embracing this stance, you not only preserve your dignity, but also empower yourself, compelling him to actively pursue and demonstrate his commitment to earning your affection and trust. 3. Don't plan dates. Avoid the temptation to orchestrate every aspect of your dates, driven by a fear of his potential cluelessness. Embrace the uncertainty inherent in letting him take the reins, even if it means he doesn't take any action at all. By becoming comfortable with your own boundaries and emotions, you gain the ability to accept him for who he is, allowing you to discern whether he aligns with your desires and values. This shift in attitude radiates a compelling energy, prompting a man to go above and beyond to be in your presence. Ultimately, the woman who respects a man's autonomy and refrains from constantly picking up the slack for him is the one who captures his heart and inspires genuine love and devotion.